Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be talking to you about my all-time skincare favorites that have really helped me get my skin to be as clear and glowy and bright and dewy as it is now. So I know a lot of people in the comments, I've noticed as of recently, have been asking what I've been doing to my skin. So I thought, now that I've finally perfected my skincare routine, why not make a video about it? So that is what we're doing today. Before we do, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you love these kinds of videos or just anything about makeup, then make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see my skincare favorites to get glowy, radiant, bright skin, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I have 7 products in front of me here that I use every single day. There's only one in here that I use like every other day or every 2 or 3 days. But the rest of these I use literally every single day on my skin, and I feel like they have really helped me get to where I am right now as far as my skin, as far as being clear, bright, smooth, hydrated, just all the good things. Before I start talking about the products though, the first thing I want to say that helped me with my skin that I just recently did like 2 weeks ago is Botox. Not saying that anybody needs to go out and get Botox done, that's not what I'm saying at all, but my mom is a nurse injector, so why would I not do it, you know? I noticed certain things on my face that I wasn't the most happy with, like I noticed little wrinkles and just little cracked areas. Like, I'm in my mid-20s now, I'm getting a little older. I felt like it was time just to do some preventative measures, so I got Botox done about 2 weeks ago, so it finally completely set in, and I'm absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. Like, for me personally, makeup goes on so much smoother now. Like, I don't get wrinkles here anymore like I would all the time before. I just really like how my skin looks after that. Again, not saying that anybody needs to go out and do that. I'm sure your guys' skin is beautiful. Mine was too before I did it, but I'm happy with it. I was okay without it, so yeah. Just wanted to point that out first. Of course, a little disclaimer because I did get Botox done. So anyways, going into these 7 products that I want to talk about with you guys, the first product that I want to talk about is this. It's the DERMALOGICA Special Cleansing Gel. So this is a cleanser. It's a gel cleanser. I use this morning and night every single day. It just is so good for taking my makeup off, just making sure my skin is clean and ready to go for whatever products I put on afterwards. And it's not too much on my face. Like, this I feel like is really good for people with sensitive skin, for any skin type really. And it's supposed to be gentle, so I just am obsessed with it, as you can see, because I have the biggest size that you could possibly get, like 17 ounces. But it lasts such a long time. Like, you don't even need a full pump of this and you are good. This one does go for $62, but like I said, this is the biggest size, so there are 2 smaller sizes that you could get for less money, especially if you're wanting to try it out before you get a big size, but this is like the best of the best cleansers. The next product that I have for you guys is from The Ordinary, actually. It is the caffeine solution, 5% plus EGCG. So this is for your under eyes. It's supposed to help with puffiness and pigmentation, which I've noticed that it's actually been helping with, and it makes my under eyes just feel really good. So I use this again every day, morning and night, and this is only $6.70, so it's like, it costs pretty much nothing and it's actually good. I at least personally think so. But then the next product is also an under eye product, and if you guys have been with me for a while, you will know that for the longest time I was struggling so hard to find under eye products that I actually liked to use. Most of them just didn't really leave an impression on me, and I felt like they didn't do anything for my under eyes. So I was just completely altogether avoiding buying under eye creams because I'm like, it's kind of a waste of money if none of them do anything for me. So I just gave up on them for a hot minute. And then one day I got a sample of this. I'm just gonna say it. It's the BELIF Moisturizing Eye Balm. Guys, one day I ordered something from Sephora and I got like a tiny little packet of this as a sample, and my under eyes were looking so dry and crepey at one point. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try this. Like, it can't hurt. So for, I would say probably 4 or 5 days, I was using this under my eyes, and for those 4 or 5 days, like every day when I was getting ready for work or when I was getting ready to go somewhere and I was putting makeup on, I had noticed that my makeup was going on so much nicer and smoother, and my under eyes were looking so much more hydrated than ever before. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, why is this happening? Like, what did I do right? And I just couldn't put my finger on it. And then one night I was going to do my nighttime skincare. I put this sample on my eyes and I was like, wait a minute, this is what it is. And so from that point on, I just absolutely needed this. I went and I bought it literally that second, and I will never let myself run out of this again because it is so amazing. If you're someone that struggles with kind of dry under eyes, like if you get that kind of crepey effect under your eyes like I did, this is literally going to be your best friend. It is so amazing in every way I can describe to you. It's just, I think this is one of my favorite products of all time ever. Like, it's that amazing. I've been recommending this to literally everybody I know. You guys need this in your life. The next products that I'm going to talk to you guys about are serums for the face. I have one that I use in the morning and one that I use at night. I'll start with my morning serum, and that is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow and Niacinamide Dew Drops. These are so amazing, you guys. They're not too expensive. They go for $34, and I've already gone through 3 bottles of this because it's so good and I love it so much. I feel like these definitely helped me with hyperpigmentation, and I feel like they just really helped to brighten up the appearance of my skin. Like, every time I put these on my face, I am just glowing. Like, I'm always just like, my skin looks like I just got a facial. It's so crazy. I love these so much, and I'm telling you, I will never run out. And then the next serum that I want to talk about is from DEZI Skin. Desi Perkins, also a YouTuber. She came out with a skincare line, and her first product was a vitamin C serum. It's called CLARO Kiss C Vitamin C Glow Serum, and this really makes you glow, you guys. This goes for $64 on her website, so it is a little bit pricey, but it is worth it. I've tried many vitamin C serums, I feel like, and I have to say that this one has impressed me the most. The first time I tried this, I would say 2 days into using it, I got a reaction to it. I was using it once a day. I think I was doing it at night. And then I think one day I did it morning and then at night before bed. And I noticed that my skin was all red and like broken out in hives and itchy. And I've never had that happen to me before. So I was like, oh my God, this sucks. So I stopped using it for a few days, and I was like, oh my God, everyone is saying such good things about it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it one more chance. So instead of doing it every day, I was using this at night only once every other day. So I wasn't putting it on my skin every day, and I feel like that really made the difference for me, because before I started using this, I took a little break from vitamin C serum just because, again, nothing was really standing out so much to me. So I was using these twice a day. And then when I tried this, it was my first time using vitamin C serum in a minute. So I think my skin just might not have been used to it, so it had that kind of reaction. But once I kind of eased my skin into this, it made such a difference for me. Like, my skin looks so much brighter, so much glowier, just so much everything good. It's so stunning and so worth it. And then the next product, the last everyday product that I use literally every single day, is the DERMALOGICA Active Moist Moisturizer. And if you guys have watched pretty much any video on my channel, you know how much I hype this stuff up. This is the best moisturizer that I've ever used. It's super hydrating, super lightweight, so it doesn't clog your pores or make your skin pill up or just look funny or anything like that. It's literally like water light, but it still moisturizes your skin so much. This is another thing that I literally recommend to everybody I know because it's the best moisturizer I've ever used. It's so good, so worth your money. And this one goes for $66. But again, I have the bigger size because I use it twice a day, every single day. But there is a smaller size, so you're not paying as much money. So yeah, amazing. And then the last product that I want to talk about is an exfoliator. So I exfoliate my skin, I would say every other day or every 2 or 3 days, depending on how I'm feeling or what my skin is doing that week. This is the DERMALOGICA Hydro Mask Exfoliant. It goes for $60. So again, it is a little bit pricier, but if there's one brand that I could tell you is worth the high price tag, it's DERMALOGICA. It's just such an amazing brand, such good skincare products that I never regret paying the money for it. This I'm literally pretty much out of, as you can see. Like, I already need to get another one, but this is such a gentle exfoliator and it still gets the job done. Like, your skin still feels really amazing afterwards. But it's just, it has something that no other exfoliator has. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's very hydrating, yet it exfoliates, gets all the dead skin. Here it is. It's like this blue mask, and it has these little beads in it that when you're rubbing it into your skin, the beads kind of like break apart and like go everywhere on your skin, and it's just really good. I'll do this on days when I'm washing my hair and before I'm supposed to self-tan, and it really makes a difference for me. I keep it on for a few minutes, I wash it off, and I just feel so good, and I feel like it definitely has made a difference in my skincare routine. So all of these together, I feel like have made such a difference for me. Like, I feel more comfortable in my own skin. Granted, I have gotten some facials done in the last, I would say, month or two, and those have definitely helped me too, but I feel like all of these products together have helped me maintain like a really healthy, bright glow to my natural skin, to the point where I feel like I don't have to wear makeup all the time to feel good about myself. Like, I feel confident in my own skin because it looks clearer, it looks brighter, it looks more radiant, just everything. And I feel really confident in these products for myself. Not saying that these are gonna specifically work perfectly for everybody, because that's not how the world works. But for me and my skin type, which is normal to dry, I have found that these in combination with each other have just been so magical for my skin. And I just wanted to share that with you guys because, one, you guys have been so sweet to comment and say my skin looks good, so I appreciate that, first of all. But two, anything that I find that's good, I want to tell you guys so that you guys are in on these little tips and tricks too. I want us all to be glowing, but again, it might not work for everybody. I only have one skin type, so it works for me. But yeah, love these products to death. I'm gonna continue using them for a long time because they are perfect. So that is it. That is all I have for today's video. Those are all 7 products that I cannot live without skincare wise. They're just all so amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about my little skincare routine, skincare must-haves, and comment and let me know if you've tried any of these because I want to hear everybody's thoughts too. I want to hear if you loved them, if you didn't love them, all that good stuff, and let me know your skin types in the comments too because I'm sure everyone wants to know that as well. So comment, say hello, give this a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I appreciate it, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.